right, y'all. I just got out of CVS on a Monday. I'm very sorry. I was not feeling good yesterday or I would have went. But I just got $92 worth of product for just about $30. And if you take the extra bucks that I earned last week and put them towards this purchase, I actually got $13 more off, making it about a $15 purchase for $92 worth of products. And I mean, I got a curling iron, I got a huge bag of Tide, I got some Snuggle, and I also got this really nice new Downy Rinse and Refresh, okay? They have some really great deals, so keep following to figure out how you can do it.
First up, we're going to work towards spending $20 to get $10 in extra bucks on Colgate products by picking up this toothbrush for $4.59. Then we're going to go ahead and grab one of the Colgate renewals marked at $9.59. And finally, we're going to grab a Colgate Optic White that is marked for $6.99 to finish out our spend 20. For these three items, it is vital that you clip all three of these coupons that you see, as well as your $3 off of $18 worth of Colgate oral care, making it $21. And you have the $12 in coupons, making it $9.17, but you earn $10 in extra bucks. For the last item on this transaction, they have a great deal going on that if you buy one of these products for $15, you get a $10 extra bucks, basically getting the item for $5. So if you're looking for anything Christmas related, I would do this. I'm going to go ahead and get this curling iron and basically pay $5. For transaction number 1, you're going to put all of those oral care items with the curling iron, making the total out to be $36.17. You're going to use your $12 in coupons, and your total is going to be about $24.17, which I know is a lot, but you're earning $20 in extra bucks that you're going to use on your next transaction. To start off transaction number 2, we're going to find these little critter gummies that are buy one get one 50% off at $8.79. I'm going to go ahead and clip this $10 off coupon. That makes our total $3.19 for both of them. Then we're going to head to the laundry aisle where they're having a great deal. If you spend $30 on P&G products, you get a $10 extra buck. So I'm going to go ahead and find my coupons.com coupon for $3 off these Tide Pods, making them $9.99. Then I'm going to use my Downy Rinse and Refresh. The same coupon, it's $3 off from coupons.com of $12.99, making it $9.99 as well. And the final product is Snuggle for $4.29. I don't have a coupon, but that will help us reach our $30. All right, so for transaction number 2, you're going to add all of those laundry care items and you're going to get your little critters. So your total after all of your coupons is going to be $27.66, but you're going to use that $20 you just earned on transaction number 1, making your final total $7.66. But don't forget, you are also earning $10 in extra bucks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.